Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Open Settings on your Vivo phone and find Second Space in the list. Tap Second Space and then tap Turn On to create a new space. The phone will ask you to set up a separate unlock method, like a PIN or fingerprint. Choose a different PIN or fingerprint than your main space to keep them distinct. After setup, you will enter a fresh environment with no apps or accounts copied from your main space. You can switch to Second Space from the lock screen or from Quick Settings. Enter the separate PIN or fingerprint to unlock directly into Second Space when you want privacy. Install apps separately inside Second Space. They do not share data automatically with your main space. Sign in with different accounts for email or social apps if you want complete separation. Return to your main space by switching back through the lock screen or Quick Settings when finished using the secondary profile. To move needed files, use the transfer feature between your main and Second Space. Open File Manager, select Items, and choose Transfer to move photos and documents securely. Enable App Lock or hide apps inside each space to add another privacy layer for sensitive apps. Remember that installed apps and accounts in Second Space stay separate until you transfer items yourself. If you no longer need the second profile, delete Second Space from Settings to remove its apps, accounts, and files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.